Yeah, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. This is your Eye of the Revolution, the fearless, brutal rebel Don Pacho. I am here today to bring you some facts and figures for us to match with our revolution. I want us all to understand that we are in this revolution because we have just one enemy, and that enemy is La République du Cameroon. But without that, we cannot keep on condoning with those that are the enemy within us. So, my fellow people, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, like I always say, I always like to speak in Pidgin, not because I cannot speak English, but because I want us to be able to communicate right to our grandfathers, our grandmothers, and even those we term illiterates, that they may be able to understand our message. So my brothers and sisters, Papa and Mama, them, we go start first of all, we go talk on this issue for this coronavirus. Now the first thing we they talk say before we want free Ambazonia, we get forget people them way they get for be citizens them for inside that Ambazonia. So for free that nation, we get for must get people them where they be citizens them for that nation. So my fellow brothers and sisters them, my fellow Ambazonian them, we don't hear so many things them about the coronavirus. We don't hear so many people them then give distance, make they distance themselves from each other, make they know they go from Jangi house. We know our papa, our mommy them, our sister them, our brother them, where they be so hardworking back for ground zero. They be so strong for the level where they play their Jangi. Today na Sunday, we don't talk say social distancing. Now something we will get for really take them. We need for take them like a routine. We need for take them like a routine. Say me we keep that social distancing. Jangi now make we play Jangi for mobile money. Make people there where they, if you know say today na your day for chom Jangi, make you play, make you give your mobile money back home. Make people there, may your neighbor there, may your people there for inside Jangi house, may they play your Jangi through mobile money. Because now only through that where we go feel succeed, for say make we not get coronavirus inside our area. Make Pekin, visit neighbor again. Make sure say washing of hands, make it be a routine. Make washing of hands it be a routine. Say everybody, you advise your neighbor, make you advise your brother, make they wash hand every minute, every second, every time for inside this period for coronavirus. As we don't talk about this coronavirus issue, I go dive straight for the main issue where it bring we for this live show today. This live show today, it get two things, two main topics where me I want to discuss for the live show today. I will give una a brief history. I give una a brief history of this Ambazonia revolution, how he managed Sute Sisiku, he can be president for inside Ambazonia, and how SCBC, where it will be the mouth of the revolution, SCBC, when at the eye of the revolution, the voice of the revolution, how they manipulate una. I go bring una facts and figures where Sako them be talk say they no receive contract for SCBC. Today I go bring one evidence for proof for una say Sako them be receive contract for SCBC. I go show una the email for Sako Ekome and the contract for SCBC, how it will go for ye. So now the two topics then that way me I go bring up for una for this live show for today, so that make everybody if you want talk for this revolution, make it the talk where he get evidence, he get facts and figures for proven for the people for Ambazonia, because too many lies it don't make them. We for this revolution we don't go astray. Many people, we don't send many of our people astray for this revolution because of too many concocted lies, too many bad seat where we get up for inside this revolution. So we really need for straighten these things them for this time, because as one of we person don't talk for here, SCBC, yes. Now still the voice of the Ambazonian people, now the voice for the people for Ambazonia. So we need for really know the truth, and only the truth shall set Ambazonians free. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, as we now join this live show, may we now share, because now a revealing live show, now a live show where it go reveal so many things. I go need to make each and every one of una, as una don't join, una don't reach 34, make una the share, make it go. We need for hit 500 people for this live show today, because it go reveal so many things. It go reveal so many things for una, where una go know say this revolution, it don't fail because of evil way where people then, the so-called people, the way they call themselves, say they be leaders of this revolution, they don't fail we woefully. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, if we ask ourselves, say, Ambazonians, una wanna watch this live show, I want make una type before I really do this. The first conclave for this revolution, who know where that first conclave behold? Who know where that first conclave behold? If you know where that first conclave behold, type where that first conclave behold. The first ever conclave where he hold for this revolution. Who know where that first conclave behold? If 5 people type for here, you go see say they go type na Nigeria. But Ambazonians, it's a lie. The first conclave where he hold for this revolution, he hold for South Africa, and na the defense conclave. The defense conclave. Ayaba Cho, he know the truth. Ebenezer Akwanga, he know the truth. The first conclave we ever hold for this revolution, na defense conclave. But it be fail because of power mongering, power tussle. Power tussle. For this, we so-called people where they call themselves leaders. Because they be go for the, instead for them for put Ambazonia first. Ayaba Cho, Ebenezer Akwanga them, with the other people where they be called, they say they get defense, they go for they know if you put themselves together for South Africa. For some may they put the defense department, make it stand firm. They did not have a roadmap. Now for they were the first ever conclave behold for South Africa, where they call and say the defense conclave. Now secret that way many people for Ambazonia they don't know, but they go stand, they go ever talk say South Africa be 1-6 revolution. Ata Milan a bad man. Ata Milan no be bad man. Ata Milan no be bad man. Ata Milan be, they be called the first conclave where they call all these people where they be told say they get gun. They get gun strategy. They get gun strategy. It will be Ayaba Cho, it will be Ebenezer Akwanga, it will be Oxford for DOG, where they will get the defense strategy for their hand. Now the people in this way they be call them for that defense conclave, but they go for them because of infighting among them, because of na me are over Sabi. Ayaba say na me are over Sabi. Akwanga na me are over Sabi. Oxford na me are over Sabi. He make the first conclave for South Africa. It fail. Well, if that defense be unite that time, if that defense be unite that time, we know for this war. This war toss war day today say na AGC must be. Now AGC must be. Now restoration force must be this. Now this man must be that. Now this man go for Amber. Now this man, because of the irresponsibility of these defense leaders. If Ayaba with Akwanga and the DOD they be unite for that first conclave, we know for them for this place where we did it today, where this man go always say na AGC, na AGC, na AGC, na ADFA, na we go sing ADF should go finish. Now because of power for no good reason. Power for no good reason. Why we not look ourselves? Why that time we not be look ourselves we unite? My people, make I bring una hypocrisy. As view as the art, I bring and I go reveal hypocrisy for this revolution. Another hypocrisy, make una the share as una the join. Make una the share. Make una the share. Make una the share as una the join. Time where they be go for fourth conclave. Fourth conclave. Mark Barata be there for day. This Partisan they be there for day. Sorry, for take conclave. Mark Barata they no be there for take conclave. When they be go for take conclave, when they talk say make the vote who go be chairman for governing council. May they make who go be chairman for governing council. Partisan, this partisan today where he don't turn where they say he talk say may they consider all man for inside prison like diamond, but he own spirit, he own ghost, he strong past living corpse, he strong past person where they still live. Sorry, partisan he ghost, he strong past living body. Where he talk say me consider the die people. Partisan he go for that conclave. He talk for that conclave say. Partisan talk for that conclave, say, for take conclave. Say, God, this their so-called God, where anytime they want to talk, they call John chapter Mary verse 1. John chapter Mary verse B Tungum. He say for that take conclave. People when they do for that take conclave, they go testify. People for that Partisan talk, say, God don't talk for ye, say. Say, God don't talk for ye, say, make it no be number 1 for Ambazonia. Say, make be number 2. Now, Partisan talk that. Say God don't talk for you, say, may you not be number 1, may be number 2. So time where they be vote. Time where they be vote. Sisi could not be even there for that take conclave. They be told say, okay, because they didn't lead at them, they divide power among themselves. So when they bring in a neutral person where, you know, people don't know him. Now for them they present Sisi Kui CV, which way they call us a curriculum vitae, they present Sisiku. Sisiku be been a chairman for Southern Cameroon community for Nigeria, singer. Southern Cameroon community, Nigeria, singer. With Sisiku be their chairman that time. So time where they be talk that thing, they present Sisiku. People vote. That's how he says he vote Sisiku. Partisan, he says, he vote Sisiku, he put his hand for up. Say, he vote President Sisiku. But, then when Sisiku, he come out, Tassa be vice chair. Sisiku be chair of governing council. They make Atam Milan. This Milan Atam, when people know why hear his name today, so, this Milan Atam, where people know why hear his name, they make him Secretary General of Governing Council. Secretary General of Governing Council. As they make it Secretary General of Governing Council, you know, say Partisan be Secretary General of Skakuf. So Tassan come in. Tassan come in. Tassan talk say, Milan come in. So Milan want to take the full rights as the Secretary General. Tassan no agree. Tassan no agree. Me una know say Sisiku tabe ayok. People where they call Scarpack, say Scarpack thief money, Sisiku thief. Sisiku never ever be signatory to Scarpack account. Sisiku never ever be signatory to Scarpack account. Sisiku never ever be signatory. Sisiku never ever be signatory for no governmental account. Sisiku never ever be signatory to no governmental account. So time when Sisiku it take power, the Scarpack money for pay SCBC, they nobody pay SCBC. So now for the Atam Milana, it divert funds for PayPal. So SCBC be the now they cut them for the. They cut them for the. As when they cut them for the. People now they know the feel. People now they know the feel the see which way it happen. Partisan evidence day for my next show. I go present evidence for Partisan when he sign money there for Scarpack. He enter Nigeria, he disappear. He enter for Nigeria, he disappear. The one way can talk for you say Nicolas Konjo stop this nonsense. Fight La Republique. That way, please, J.K. they lie. BB lie. You don't go tell them, say, they don't lie, they fight La Republique. That way preach the card, they can't lie, people lie. When I don't talk me, they go talk fight la Republic. That way pony long the common, he go preach, he go start for preach John chapter Mary verse 1. He go talk ngum to be. He go cry where you talk only lie. And then he preach gospel. If any of them know say Tiwa they talk na lie, me will go swear na for swear for shrine. Because they go run for swear for shrine. They go say mu swear for Bible, where Bible no get no effect. It no go do nothing for no man. Mu go swear for shrine. Useless people. You can't talk for years. Say man no talk. Man stop nonsense. Go fight la Republic. You don't fight la Republic. You fight la Republic past me. You fight la Republic past me. Wicked people. Wicked people. Tell you come for talk truth. Una they talk say mu no talk true. Mu fight la Republic. Chris Anu they go for that TV station. Chris Anu, he go for that TV station. He live for TV station. To say he go start over to say make they kill 23 people where they kill them for Bui. Tell way Chris Anu be say make they crush that 23 for Bui. Una be can't stand talk say make Chris Anu no talk. Una be can't stand una be criticize Chris Anu. Una be called to say Secretary Chris demons killers. Now it is commando the cook for go attack ATF for Kugwe. ATF una dey at a lot. ATF una dey at a lot. Any fly we pass for una come una wipe am. Any fly we pass for una come una wipe am. Una dey at a lot. ATF at a lot. Any fly we pass for una come una wipe am. This nonsense needs to stop. They fight na la Republic or they fight na ATF. ATF don't attack una for side. ATF don't ever come for una come attack una. ATF don't ever attack una for una come. ATF go dey for come the fight. If you come go attack la Republic come back dey for come. Una only for go attack ATF. Una only for go attack ATF. Una only for go ATF. Wait to be ATF problem. Wait to be una problem with ATF. Wait to be una problem with ATF. Una problem na wait with ATF. Every day ATF. Say commando una they really call me to so cook am. So una want go attack ATF you come for Kugwe. Ambazonia Ambazonia. Na so na the fight we want fight. Na the fight we want fight. ATF no dey attack una for no. ATF never ever go attack someone for you come. But every day una dey cook pot. Every day una dey cook pot. Every day una dey cook pot for go attack ATF. Wait till ATF do una eh. Wait till Ayaba do una. Wait till Ayaba do una. I tell me ATF dey at a lot. ATF una dey at a lot. Big number. I trust you, Papa. Una dey at a lot. Any man pass for una come. Fly. May fly no even fly over una come. Una wipe am. At a lot. ATF. Una dey at a lot. This nonsense needs to stop once and for all. This nonsense needs to stop. Then you go fight. ATF go kill a Republic. He come back and hide for inside he come. ATF go kill a Republic. He come back and hide for he come. Una own na for cook meeting. Say una want go attack them for their camp. Wait till they do una. Wait till they do una. They contribute their money, buy their small gun the way they don't buy them, buy their small material where they don't buy them. They go attack la Republic. Una own. Now, we don't call technical ceasefire. Now ceasefire this, una don't call them. With the still fight war. IG for Sisiku, it is still fight war with ATF. Una don't call technical ceasefire. With the fight war. We don't go attack now for Uku. Una don't call the sheriff. They say good. When una don't call una don't call technical ceasefire. Demons. Shame for una. Shame let it do una. When una the share that video for Uku, so una need shame. Una need shame. Shame let it do una. When una the share that so una need shame. Say people go to the life for revolution. They form conspiracy upon conspiracy. Conspiracy upon conspiracy. They know we know they understand which side this fight they go. We enemy in la Republic. But Chris Anu go catch she don't for TV station. He go call someone they say he go call someone they say na can't he head them. Whether na can't they put can't he head with now who vote them can't he head. No. Say na can't he head them. They go catch she don't only cook lie. Cook only lie. ADF never go attack no camp. I know why she don't so that yes say ADF go attack some my camp. I know by here. I don't hear say ADF go give chop for people who come. I don't hear that one. ADF go give material for some come them. The soldier they say don't call me, confirm. Say don't pass you true ADF give we. Where I hear I call the camp for us and true say so say ADF camp pass you give una some more granite for chop. They say yes ADF give we don't pass you. ADF give we some more granite. Then yeah Sako yeah. My people, Siam. The Sako be wake up. I want review una today. Sako be wake up like say SCBC. SCBC. Say SCBC no be sending contract. When they be the cook meeting, Chris Anu, he the cook meeting for open that ABC, that Alphabet TV. He cook only meeting for open that Alphabet TV. Cook only meeting for open Alphabet TV. A lie only for lie say they no give contract. They no give contract. They no give contract for SCBC. All be been a lie. Siam, Ambazonia na my telephone this. I want review una today. I go reveal them today. Me una Siam. Me una look and find for here. It go there upside down. Una look and find for here. Now in the Samuel Sako, board chairman SCBC. He send them. He say they say sent to Samuel Sako Elvis, Mr. Elvis commenter. Now it is so. Wait till they say invoice. Now it is quencher contract. Now that so it is show so contract where they be send them for Sako. Now it is so. Now it is. Me all Ambazonia and the Siam contract where we go for Sako. Contract for SCBC. They say SCBC na Atam Milan get them. 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 So much I publish for my page. After the live show I go publish them. Siam Ambazonia ma tell una. Chairman for SCBC. He watch this show. His name na Comrade Francis. Comrade Francis answer. You dey watch this show. Chairman for SCBC. He no even then as Africa self. The man when he be chairman for SCBC. He then na Italy. Italy. Chairman for SCBC. Time when they be form SCBC, they be talk for each country. For each country, tell me he send a board member. All Southern Cameroonian for each country, may they send in one member, make it go for board of directors for SCBC. So each country be sent in one member. So that way they be sent in each country sending a member, they will go for that SCBC. They go for them. Now those country the way they be sent in them. Now the member for that country, they be vote. Now them be vote who will be chairman for SCBC. Now for them they go vote Comrade Francis, make it be chairman. Now for them they go vote Comrade Francis, make it be chairman. Siam, time way Sako be send that. That way chairman for SCBC, he be send that letter for Sako. That way be send that contract for SCBC for Sako. Now it this. Now it wait till this way be right arm for Sako. Now wait till this way be right arm send them for Sako. They might read them for now. Now wait till way if we say, dear Mr. President, it is with the highest honor of the state of Ambazonia that I am forwarding to you the SCBC contract and the invoices with the hope that as statesman we can bring a breakthrough to the deadlock between SCBC television and your government. Now is that so? Now wait till that way SCBC chairman be sent them for Sako. I don't want to read that all because sensitive information and they be want go create that their Alphabet TV thief people. They don't wake up from na Ata Milan get SCBC. Na Ata Milan get SCBC. Na the Ambazonia SCBC na una TV station. SCBC belong to Ambazonian them. Una fund the SCBC. Una yeah. Any man we want buy share for SCBC, may you go buy share for SCBC. SCBC now una TV station. If you want get program for SCBC, you want go live for SCBC, you call me Don Pasho. Call me Don Pasho. I go send you SCBC. You want get program for SCBC. My number, una put +34 632 11 84 50 +34 632 11 8450. Now my number that any man we want call me for WhatsApp, we want talk anything for SCBC, call me Don Pasho. I go put you for SCBC. I go put you through to SCBC. You go talk for SCBC. You go get your program. If you want get your own program for SCBC, call me. I go give you chairman for SCBC number. You go talk with chairman for SCBC. You go get your program for SCBC. All this nonsense where these people don't lie we every day, lie we. Na day we don't go fail. Now too much lies upon lies. I don't review one today. Today live show, I don't bring una contract. Now contract that for SCBC. Now contract that for SCBC where we go for Sako Ekome. Now that show, una read am. Where we go for Sako Ekome. Somewhere Sako, now that ide for day. Somewhere Sako, where it be lie una, where Chris Ann will be common. He lie say they no receive am. They lie una because they be only one talk say they be only one form that the Alphabet TV. Their own BB say they want from Alphabet TV. My next live show, I go bring una again another revealing something. Every day where I come live, I must reveal something. Any day where I come live, I go to reveal something. Any day where I come live, I go to reveal something. For people where they want to contribute for the IG care, people where they want to contribute for IG care, I go give una. If you want to contribute for people where they America, they want to contribute for IG care because now IG care and Ayaba na they buy gun. Now IG care and Ayaba they buy gun. Contribute for these two people, they buy gun. People where they want to contribute for IG care, cash app now 646, cash app 646 2759 595. Now the cash app that people where they want to contribute for IG care for cash app. Now the cash app that 646 2759 95. Now the cash app that for people where they want to contribute. People where they there for Europe, where they want to contribute through PayPal. People where they want to contribute through PayPal. May they contribute for humanitarian sccgbayern.org. Humanitarian at sccgbayern.org. Make una contribute for this one. So una they contribute una money for IG care. Not be for that chief Sako IG. They don't take una money, they chop them. They take una money, they chop them. People where they want to know the truth. If you want to run your program, for SCBC, my number that. Thank you, Comrade Tora, some of the Lord Jesus. Thank you. Now my number that +34 632 118450. Una call me for that number. Una go get me for that number. I go connect una to SCBC. They don't lie we. Now it is commando. Commando don't wake up say wango attack Kurugwe. Commando say wango attack Kurugwe. Attack Kurugwe. We know therefore make people attack some my camp. We beg una. We beg restoration forces. The enemy what we get na la Republic. Restoration forces. May man no call you for diaspora. Tell you say go attack some other man in camp. Restoration forces. May man no call you for diaspora. Say go attack some other man in camp. You go. We enemy na la Republic. We enemy no be among we. We know plenty where we fight. We know plenty where we fight. The few of we will fight, me will hold a gun point and for la Republic. Ya gun get for show na la Republic. Ya gun no support for show na for your brother I hate. Me man no fool you, may you kill your brother. Una be one. Una the fight na for one Ambazonia. Una need the fight na for Ambazonia for Sisiku Tabe Ayok. Una need the fight na for Ambazonia for somewhere Sako Ekome. Una need the fight na for Ambazonia for Ayabacho Lucas. Una the fight na for Ambazonian them. Una the fight Ambazonia where we picking them go live for a good country. Una the fight for Ambazonia where even una the fight. Una go get a better job tomorrow. Una need the fight na for kill una safe. Member no call una for diaspora. The people that for diaspora they sleep for correct. They chop better chop. They sleep with their woman them. They get better way they do. They work better work. They call una for one man country. Una go say una go for una for Grand Zero. They go call una say go kill your brother. You go kill your brother. You don't be sure for your own life tomorrow. You don't be sure for your own life tomorrow. Don't forget say that way this thing go one fine. Ayabacho he go salute Sako Sunday. But your life, you don't lose your life. Ayabacho he go salute Sako Sunday. Your life, you don't lose. Sako he go support he go salute Sisiku Sunday. Your life, you don't lose. Now you be mumu. Who be mumu? Now you where they call you, tell me you go shoot your brother. And tomorrow your brother go vex, he go shoot you too. You die. Tomorrow when the people they go the one roof for Ambazonia, where you go there 6 feet. You go there 6 feet. You go there 6 feet. They go to see where is he? Yo, we are looking for. You don't go 6 feet. You don't go 6 feet. The only name where they go get and I say you be general this for Ambazonia. Now all that. Now the only name that way you will get for Ambazonia. Say you be general this. Because of Weti, because of Ayabacho, because of Akwanga, because of Sako, because of Sisiku. Say they call you, say, go kill your brother. You go for go kill her. Now you be mumu. Now you be mumu. Now you be mumu. Like some person right up here say, Sako is under the of Chris Anu. True. Very true. Una be listening for that meeting where Sisiku be hold on with them. You see say Sako be very humble. Sako be humble himself. But now Chris Anu be there for them. He insult Sisiku. He fire Sisiku for Nash. He fire Sisiku for Nash. Because of Weti. Me una know man reveal them again. Revealing. Me una know say that way they be arrest president. That way they not be arrest kidnap. That way they be kidnap president Sisiku for Nigeria. That way they be kidnap Sisiku for Nigeria. They be talk for country coordinators, country representative. Nobody county them. County no be done there that time. They be talk for country because Spain be gay country representative. Italy gay his own. Germany gay his own. America they be divide America into 6 regions. They be get their own representative them. When at them now be them told them they vote. May they vote person where he go represent for inside. He go represent Sisiku as acting president. So time now when they become say they vote that person, as they be say they vote that person, majority of country coordinator them, country representative them, they be vote na Sako, na Chris Anu. They be vote na Chris Anu. They be vote na Chris Anu. But may I give una revelation today. Revelation of John chapter Mary verse Mwa when they bad for code Bible. This is revelation from Don Pastor John chapter Mary verse Mwa. Say they be vote na they be vote na this man. They be vote na Chris Anu. They be vote na Chris Anu. Make it be acting president. But they be go for cabinet. For cabinet. That time restoration council not be functional because now only this man Elvis Kometa. Now only Kometa Elvis be remain. So restoration council not be functional. So now country representative them they be vote. So they go now for cabinet. Say make cabinet perfect that vote. Cabinet go decide say no. Now revelation from Don Pastor John chapter Mary verse 1. No be in the Bible. This is from Don Pastor John chapter Mary verse 1. Say they be talk for they say they no go vote, they no go put Chris Anu president because Chris Anu to be arrogant. Chris Anu it will be arrogant where they no go fit control ye. They no go fit control ye. So even when I look and find out for inside that cabinet for Sako, now Chris Anu be president. No be the man, no be Sako. Now Chris Anu be president. Chris Anu don't talk with Sako. Now whether we Sako support ceasefire for Ebenezer Kwanka, Chris Anu go rubbish the thing outside. Say no ceasefire. Sako no fit talk. Why say be president? He mob lock. It on Mumu Zakaria. It on Mumu Zakaria. He mob. He no fit talk. Because the president don't talk. Anu is the president way for that their peak, for that their pastors, internet government. Now Anu be president. No be Sako. Sako de le ngongdo. You know that ngongdo way we don't dey for a compound of there. Make woo. When you add footstep, you run. If Chris Anu just talk so kick Sako no the cough. Sako can never talk when Chris Anu speaks. Sako can never because of film marshal. Because of film marshal. Now film marshal don't make Sako quiet. Spanish man call and say kaya. He keep quiet. Na the man. Na film marshal. ADF. Make una dey at alert. But una no go attack. If commando no pass una come, una no go attack it. They would struggle for fix and for back. Fixing there for back. If commando no come for una come, una no go for a come. Another revelation from Don Pacho. This one is coming from the book of Samson, John Mary Verslum. What you want to reveal am? Na say make this restoration forces, this boy the way they fight for we, make them know say they need to fight. Na fight for Sako, no Ayaba, no Sisiku, no Akwanga. They fight na fight for free Ambazonia. They fight na fight for free Ambazonia. You when you just join a man where take on you just join. I don't already tell them what you do. Make una no fight una self. The enemy na la Republic. I don't talk for here. Whether they go up can down, Ayaba it was a lot Sisiku Sunday. It was a lot. Who go be Mumu? Now you where you go die. Now you be Mumu. Where Sako call you say go kill Ayaba a soldier, you go kill him. Ayaba call you. Ayaba no talk. Me man go kill man. Ayaba no talk. Now Sako you group. This stupid thing where call say. Now this. They hide for back fake profile. Hat they no get. Now for coach. Ata John Ata John Sumo Padi Asanga. Who be Padi Asanga for 30? Ata John they don't keep quiet. Ata John they keep quiet. Yeah. Ooh. Now you do so. Sunday your own audio go leak. You so where you know to show your face say you be Amba Fidelia. As you know. More Padi Asanga, shit no wipe last. Padi Asanga, shit no wipe last. Padi Asanga, he go treat Ata John here. Now me a call Ata John a give courage for Ata John so you fear Padi Asanga. Who is Padi Asanga? Padi Asanga, shit no wipe last. Padi Asanga. Thief cigar, my way thief cigar. He thief man will go for supermarket thief cigar. He detected Ata John the fear. Padi Asanga to do so you know the kind people the way you call us so threatening them. You know the kind people the way you call them. You detected Ata John so they touch keep quiet. Keep Ata John they keep quiet. Wonderful. So why do you want to Amba Fidelia? Show your face. Ata John be the make no work every day. Padi Asanga sumo Padi Asanga. Padi Asanga we no fit gas for place is cement. Padi Asanga, you no fit gas for place is cement. It treat you fear. You can't stand for here. You dey try for talk for me. You try for comment under my when you want comment with your face. Say you know now you send me for school. I don't know for read. Agree. Now read and write the fight that war for Ambazonia. Now read and write the fight war for Ambazonia. The way they fight, they know for read and write. Now read and write the fight war. Now read and write the fight war. Say ceasefire, every day ceasefire. Ambazonia soldier, même man no call you, say me you go shoot your brother, you go shoot am. I beg una. Même man no call you, say go shoot your brother, you go shoot am. This war the fight, not be war for say me you go kill your brother. Sako go salo Ayaba Sunday. I don't talk am. And when they salute Ayaba, who lost his life? Now you where you go salute Ayaba. Now you where Sako, it doesn't mean you go kill Sako Ayaba a fighter, then you go kill him. Now you be mumu. Now you turn mumu. Now you be mumu. Because this fight will the fight. We the fight and fight for independence. We know the fight and fight for Ayaba. We know the fight and fight for Sisiku. We the fight and fight for free Ambazonia. A fight to free Ambazonia. No be fight for no be fight for this thing. No. Man when he call you, you go kill your brother. Now you know. Now you go. They didn't have a woman country. They reach out fine chop. They reach out fine chop, sleep on top better bed. They sleep on top better bed. Maybe you still can't talk. Amba Fidel, if you want to talk for me, show your face. Can't show your face. Useless beef. Useless beef. Say no for it. Now you send me for school. The advanced level where I get them. He correct for my pocket. He correct for me. If he teach me how to read and write. You so I not sure say you even get them. You don't even get them safe. If not be that Mexico road when una pass go enter America. Better not follow una. You see them. Ayaba cho una dey at a lot. For Kugwe, no matter position you go behind for talk for commando. For talk for commando. Una know say commando we don't make revelation. Say it don't make 7 months. Sakono by sending no 5 francs. Na revelation. Na son they take number go keep am. Who's a number ready today? Number ready for la République. Na so they go full commando. Fiap la République, it don't go. Fiap la République, it don't go. Fiap la République, it don't go. My brother, I say, I take that water small. You know, say they don't talk now, say, me throw no the dry. Oh. Bibi book don't talk now, say hospital, say, me throw no the dry. Amba Fidelia, I challenge you. Maybe now you go live. You just join. You just join. You can't be join. I know be give you revelation. You know be data why they give revelation. Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. Ma go for John chapter Mary verse 1. Now SCBC contract this where they be sent up for Sako Ekome. Look the date where they for day. Look the date where they for day. Look the name. Where you say you say the lie. Look the date. Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. Now the date that way there for day. Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. Now that for day. Una own na the talk una know the show. Sako lie. You say the lie. Now Sako lie say they don't be give contract. SCBC contract. Now it is. They be sent up for Sako Ekome to Samuel Sako to Elvis Kometa. Now that it for day on the 29th of June 2018 where they send up for ye. Now it is invoice contract. Now it is. I know they read. Now it is. Now it is so you beef, you liar. Now it is. Now it is. Now it is. Now they contract this. Now it is. My next live show, I go come with another revelation. The one at Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. The one at Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. Yes. This one on at Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. So me una notice say una overget na sense. Una no overget na sense. Yeah, Emma, I will call you back after I did for live show. I'll call you back. Yeah, we'll finish. I'll call you. So me una no remain there for noise. Now I said na revelation them today na Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. Today na Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. So no day for here you can't make noise, they make noise. I did go start now from when I lies them for 2018 Fidelia. I did come up. I go for review una. As we do for the quarantine, I go to review una. Now this revelation. Now this. Now wait this way. Comrade Francis, the chairman for SCBC. That way he be send that letter for. That way be send that contract for Sako. He be send for Sako. I go read only the first heading, the first paragraph. The first paragraph it also say, "Dear Mr. President, it is with the highest honor of the state of Ambazonia that I am forwarding to you the SCBC contract and invoices with the hope that as statesmen, we can bring a breakthrough to the deadlock between the SCBC television and the UR government." Now this no be me right. Chris Anu can lie. Bomb all the people like say they receive them. They not be receive them because they want to create Alphabet TV. They want to create Alphabet TV. They use that only for go create their TV. I don't bring evidence now. You say I bring evidence for Sako cause ceasefire. Either for Facebook one no. You know he did there. He say support Akwanga. No be Akwanga cause ceasefire. No be talk of they say support Akwanga. When you don't say I bring evidence. And then the end of that beefy for that beefy in Facebook. And then have a Facebook. And then enter for that beefy Facebook. So no they talk I'm not there for that one useless nonsense. I speak with evidence. Next week I go bring una next live show. I go come with another evidence. Next live show. I go come with next live show. I come with John chapter ngum to te. John chapter ngum to te. Today na John chapter Mary verse ngwa. This one na John chapter ngum to te for next live show. Ma go bring come read. You say I don't know for read. I don't know for read. You will know for read beef. Say una dede only with BB lie. Today now John chapter Mary verse 1 at the bring for una. Una dede Ucheba nesu go come out, you go form BB line. You go do una say una don't create act. Una say una don't create act. Now so one night say act. Ake. I know the block man, bro. I know the block now. You find you call it bastard. Not really bastard. I know the block it. Say the rock. Ambazonia una ask Amba Fidelia for inside that 13 group the way there for that una act of actors. A part of Bo Ebed when a Morris when a Yi1. Ebenezer Kwanga for that iti way they call whether na ABLM on a weti when a Yi1 with una Sako 3 group. The other group them who know them. Bring we leader them for the other group them. Now 13 sign that act of actors. Bring we the other group them. I say, I did for Revelation John chapter Mary verse 1. Bring me the other group them. When I just woke up, create groups like Pobia CPDM, just form political party, then throw them all place. Sako be specialized for Pobia, for CPT and politics. He is a specialist. Act of actors. When I bring with the other group them. The other group them, when I bring them for we. Because na three, I know them. Morix, but when I only you talk for Bohebe, you may bring 10 of your members. Then in no day, 10 in no day. Akwanga for ABLM, you say may bring 10 in no day. Of 10 of your members in no day. You talk for this man, Sako. Na the three, una bring na 10 remain, na 13 wanna sign that act of actors. 10 the 3 we know. Una bring with the remaining 10. Muna bring with the remaining 10. Well, you say you know how many people. Bring we groups. Name you Amber Zero. Bring we know the majority Amber Restoration Group they will fight. Why would I go form out of actors when I don't review them now? I did get in John chapter Mary verse today. Now Revelation John chapter Mary verse next week now loom to 10. Next week now John chapter loom to 10. Now here will get next week. 15 them. When I say on a day 13. Una only day Switzerland, Swiss process. Since we wanna be last go Swiss process now 6 months this today. 6 months today. We never see Swiss again. Swiss no day. Una the work and make campaign to don't to una the campaign Swiss process. For we for the 45 like AGC with IGK the 40 with material. If una day 13, Muna just say each group bring 200 people where they contribute $100. For 1 month, we know how much we go get. We know if we provide those type of things. Because we know nothing. We know nothing. May we not put down and ask for them. This act of actors, 13 groups. Now how many? Yes. If we not be committed, say we not there for negotiation. Because una only forgot say now we do negotiation for high table. Now we do negotiation. Thunder, fire, dirty them, 15 them. Now for una go Switzerland. We know by sabotage am again. Una go Switzerland. No man to block the road. Una go Switzerland. Una go Switzerland. Una go. As one be talk say una the whole meeting. The whole meeting for night for spoiler. If the Switzerland the whole me don't pass I don't already talk. For President Sisiku inside. If they me don't pass I go Switzerland. I go. For that whole we go no. Me don't pass I go. Me I go. Wish people for revolution. AGC, I still repeat, AGC, una day at alert. We don't hear say commando the one attack una come. Una day at alert. Any fly pass around una territory, una wipe them. The one we know they take and play again. We don't lost too many soldiers. That the last na Bui. That 23 way die for Bui is the last. Is the last. We cannot more lose our boys. We cannot more lose our boys. We cannot more. AGC, una no go attack them for their camp. Una remember for una camp. If they pass for day, una day at a lot, any fly around that area, una wipe them, put them down. Enough of this. If we not start treating their folk up so, they no go understand. We have been so lenient with them. So lenient. We don't be so lenient with them. You don't see the beef. We don't say Yerima did go HD dirty talk. We go for inside parliament. Yerima went to the parliament. He got present to parliament. We go talk with HD. We group. We did not go for negotiations. You Namakundu. We did not go to. We talk with the parliament. See where Sako for Sako enter for council of a quarter. You know say quarter head. Sako no quarter head office for America. Councilor. Councilor. Una ask Sako say you don't enter council of America. Chief team. So send Yerima for go. You know say Yerima for Swiss cheese. You know send Yerima for Swiss cheese. We not say Yerima for Swiss cheese. We say Yerima for parliament, for inside parliament. They will wake up and say, "Come this." You be useless graphy man. Useless graphy. You know even get sense. You foolish. Useless graphy. So you go there to for your head. Door man. Door graphy man. They the fool una the kill una safe. Their own side they don't just don't. Fako when Asako commode. They don't quiet. They vote for their place. Do all things for their place. If for you, graphic man, you say be cool. You show you come up for bui. For you for fight defend your brother. They can't kill your brother then. Well, na cause they cause you. Say AGC, A-Gov-C, a contender for which one is which. They don't attack which of the Sarkozy so-called group then. All these forces where you name them for here. You will tell me one way don't attack some man. No be na only that Sarkozy country by country then they go attack some people. Restoration force is a word to a wise is sufficient. Before I end this live show for today. See me the beef. You see, say we will want to work a picture. for inside the IG care, secrecy is our motto. Secrecy is our open world of enter. We'll get the picture of them. And it is secret. We will never reveal it to anybody. We will never reveal it. They go be. They will put all man for down. Make it bring accountability. As we on a teacher on our bagay sense, there will be a day for accountability. There will be a day. My brother, I don't already finish my live show. I don't want to answer these people. Before I end the live show for today, man, I really give una John chapter Mary verse Ngwa before I go. That John chapter Mary verse Ngwa where the hot amber fidelia. For Tuesday, today na Sunday. Tuesday I come live. John chapter Lum verse 10. John chapter Lum verse 10. I come with them next for Tuesday next week. Man show John chapter Mary verse Ngwa before I go. That John chapter Mary verse Ngwa where the hot this amber fidelia. The hottest should if die. Na yiso. John chapter Mary verse Ngwa talk say my people. Say Sakobi talk say SCBC no say ye contract. Now the contract this where SCBC be send am for ye. The date na the 29 for number 7 month. 29 for number 7 month for 2018. Now in this, that is the date. It is show for day. May all Ambazonian them. May all Ambazonian them made a siam. So that tomorrow when Chris Anu, the chief town liar, the big liar of Ambazonia, wherever the lie moon at the day he say Don Pasho this he don't start the gospel of John. Don Pasho don't start the gospel of John. The gospel of John. Don Pasho don't start them. Today na John chapter Mary verse Ngwa. Next week go be na John chapter Lum verse 10. Next week go be na John chapter lum verse 10. John chapter lum verse 10. Now ye are the give una. So una stay blessed. Una remain for inside house with the coronavirus. Una wash una hand. Una wash una hand. Una make sure say muna need visit social distancing for people for granted. Muna need visit neighbor. Muna need do anything where you go make sure say una fit touch some place where corona dey. May we stop for touch our face, for touch nose with hand. May we stop. May we drink hot water. Drink hot water. So may we not stay blessed and fruitful week. I talk today. I don't show una the contract for SCBC where na John chapter Mary verse Ngwa. Next week Tuesday I dey bring una John chapter lum to 10. Una don't see contract for SCBC today. We go to Sako and the date where we go for ye. If we go for ye on the 29th for number 7 month 2018. All una don't see them. All una don't see the contract. I don't show them. So, any man we want to talk now, make it talk. We go meet up for Tuesday for the next chapter for John. The next chapter for John, now John chapter lum, verse 10. Today we been at John chapter Mary verse 1. I don't start the Gospel of John. We will see next week.